Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM M4 URGi Block 3 stop mod. This is the shorter version, the 11.5 inch, and obviously NGRS Recoil shock model. So yeah, obviously this is a new replica. Yeah, I quite like it. So I like the balance of the length of this one. I think it obviously complements the other one nicely. Obviously it's still got the wireless stock system in there, so obviously you've got no trapped wires internally, which is obviously a really cool system to have. And yet it's got the CTR stock on there, so because obviously TM have done a reproduction of you know, the CTR. I think it's the SLS or one of their stocks that they do. Obviously it's not branded Magpul or anything like that, but yeah, it's certainly a close replica. So and obviously it's got this really cool sort of quick detach thing, and you can still use the quick detach batteries. Not that the batteries are any good, unfortunately, because they never did LiPo versions of the batteries. So obviously we're using here the Prometheus Gold bar kit, which just converts it over, and then we've put 1450 in there for testing. And I've still got to figure out if we can fit the 2600s in there. If we can, we'll be providing those with you. Otherwise we can provide some 1450s instead, but just an example, we're testing on 1450 here just to demonstrate it. So internally it's a level 10, so all the Prometheus internals upgraded. You can see here obviously you've got the slightly changed trigger there, the Prometheus Epsilon in black. We've got the Gate Titan Advanced in there, obviously the upgraded Prometheus gears, you know, the pretty much indestructible ones. The TM Cobalt Motor, there's been a bit of a rush on Cobalt Motors this week, so lots of those going into builds. We've got RHOP, and obviously FPS testing. We'll put obviously in the description of the video, just so you obviously know what all those are. And Prometheus, yeah, so we've got RHOP, you know, using Prometheus Purple Nub, obviously EagleSix upgrade Spring, and Laylax Trigger Pin on the side here, and like I say, full Prometheus internals. Just a really nice build, and obviously we'll make sure we'll put all the full description in the video comments. But yeah, we just want to demonstrate it, just to, you know, show it working. So, oh, I could even put a mag in there. Yes, this rails feels thin, it feels nice. So it's yeah, it's a nice replica, this one. I like the stock as well. Yeah, stock's comfy. So we recommend 3.2 ammo for this build. Might even be worth going 3.6 on this one, depending on what you've got access to. There you go. So excellent trigger response, good rate of fire, obviously recoil system. Yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise, yeah, it's a lovely replica. Hope you enjoy.